New message is received.
All right. Hello, everybody. How y'all doing? Amen. Damon Brown? Okay. All right. So, you guys, I am going to open up what I have in Google Classroom for you all. Fifth period today, September the 30th, 2020. We are on day 16, of course. So the first thing you did was you logged into Zoom, and then we have an overview. So what I'm going to do is share my screen with you so you can see what I see. And let's see if I can do this. All right, everybody see my screen, day 16? Yes?
No, you see a timer.
What does it say?
A timer.
A timer? Okay, let's stop share. All right, let's see, share screen. We'll find one. That's psychology, iPhone, iPhone. All right. What about now? Y'all see day 16, fifth period?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So what we're going to do today is I want you to first, our basic thing is going to be doing to complete the lesson in a syllabus, okay? And so remember that you have a couple of things that you need to fulfill. So in a syllabus, and then current event 2, I just put a note on there that we're going to make sure that that's done on Friday. Turn your camera on and unmute yourself, Antonio. Deshar, you can unmute if you want to. All right. So this is just the current event 2, even though it's not due until Friday. Now today, I have no idea why that Zoom is there. It's supposed to be up there, I think. In a minute. Make sure it gets together. All right. So basically, this tab is just what you're doing in the syllabus. You're going to do, and that's actually not right. Let me go back to, let me see, day 5 was, that's what I thought. Day 15 was steps 33 through 50, and you're supposed to have done 52 through 56 as well after the unit exam. So I want to show you, matter of fact, I'm going to go to my first period, because all the instructions came from them as well. Make sure it's lined up. Hold on, 16. It's going to be the same. It's going to be the same. There we go. 16. Yeah. Same outline. Yeah. There we go. All right. A syllabus. Yeah. Okay. So today, if you did what you needed to do yesterday, I was actually correct, thankfully. All you have to do today is make sure you get your syllabus items done. So I'm going to go back to your class. I don't know why they didn't look right to me. So you're already supposed to have done yesterday 33 through 50 and take the Unit 3 exam and then the 52 through 56, and I told you all to stop. Please don't go beyond that point. So today, of course, you're in your zone. You got the lesson outline of syllabus and current event 2. And so you will have, of course, if you made it there, reach lesson 56, and then I'm going to forward you to lesson 102 to 112, and it's on the Bill of Rights. Okay? Everybody good on that so far?
On this bill. On the day that I want to get on, I'll see. I can still make it like a wake up list on the day.
I'm not sure you have a sick excuse to let me know it's legitimate.
Alright.
Alright, make sure you just get that to me and upload it to your Zoom meeting for those days that you were sick.
Alright.
Alright, so Unit 3, again, was yesterday, 33 through 50. And then you're going to take the unit test, which was lesson 51. I'll show that to you. And then do 52 through 56 and stop. Today we're going to do steps 102 to 112, and then you're going to stop. Okay? And so there's 102, 112. The title of it is Bill of Rights. And then the last one, which is 112, is the 21st through 27 amendments. I did that because, as you see on the lesson, I attached current event 2 on it. And I'll kind of show that to you. As you see, it opening current event 2 is on the federal amendments. And so if you look, it says you'll introduce it with the terms U.S. Constitution and Amendment, and you want to do that in your own words. We talked about the 3 parts of the Constitution. If not, we will talk about that. The 3 parts are the preamble, the articles, and the amendment. I'll show it to you in a second. And basically, you're going to look at an amendment, pick it out. You're going to select an article from the internet, a reliable internet news site like CNN or something. Basically, it can range from January 15th, 2019, and I should change that to 2020, probably 2020, and explain the situation and describe the event with specific reference to the U.S. Constitution. And I should have said specific reference to the amendment, and just be sure to attach the post that you look it up. I always look at the grade chart, the non-negotiable. Okay, now what I want to show you now is in Acellus, and I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see what I see. And then I'm pretty much going to just leave you to get your assignments taken care of. Okay, so class-wise, of course, we're 5th period. This is where everyone is, all right? And so, Antonio, you're at the exam. You can go ahead and take the exam today because you could have done that yesterday. Did it allow you to take it, or is it locked?
Actually, we'll make it take it.
Okay, so that's great. It's not locked. So after you take that exam, remember you're just going to go to 56, and I'll show you what it is. And then go ahead and do steps 102 to 112. All right. So Brown, you got some catching up to do, and it's a lot of catching up. So pretty much when you get done, just go ahead and start working in Acellus, and it's going to basically review things in the topic that we've already discussed. In addition to that, who else I got on? Deshari, you're at 55. So only thing you have to do is one more, which is, I think that review, we'll look at it. You're at 55 already. And my people that's in the class, you can scroll and see your name. Jarviana, you're at 13. Just gonna keep working. And I got a little more, I think. Yeah, you're at 13. So y'all can take those exams. All right. So now let me show you where you are and where you need to be. So this is unit 1. You see, you got a little minute to go. Unit 2 exam is 32. So for you, as you see, these are the titles in the course of study. And we're going to basically talk about it. We're going to do a slide on it if possible. Shays Rebellion. All right. And remember I told you that when you reach 51, that's your unit exam. And all I want you to do after that point is 52 through 56 because it's on the Constitution. And this is a special lesson, so you're going to have to click on the briefcase to do them. And some of you all didn't do the other special lessons. So you're going to have to go to the briefcase in Acellus to complete that. And if you have not done that already, don't worry about it because I may take some of them out. If you did, that's just additional points. So when you have reached the point of 56, remember you're going to stop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move you forward in Acellus to this point right here. And that, of course, is the Bill of Rights. You're going to do 102 all the way to 112. You're not going to do the unit review because that's a whole different unit, okay? So when you get to the point where you are on 56, defend your analysis, or when you reach 55 major principles, I can skip you forward to 102. And I have to skip you forward because if you go on your own, you'll be doing the lesson, it'll be obsolete, and it's going to start you all the way back over, okay? So now, this is the last thing I want to show you, because I want to make it as easy as possible for you guys to understand everything that I'm requiring and I'm asking you to do. I have something in my Google Drive I want to show you when we go over the amendments and articles and the parts of the Constitution. So right now I'm just opening up my drive so that I can pull it. Are there any questions so far about what I said?
No, sir.
No? Okay. So, is that everybody? All right. So I'm going to open up this document and I'm going to show you 2 different things, okay? So bear with me as I find it on the internet. That way I won't have to open two more tabs. Alright, so everybody just give me a minute. Just a second, just pull it up on my list. There we go. So that way I won't have to. Alright, just FYI, real quick, and this will help you with your current event. Alright, do everybody see my screen, correct?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I don't think that's a screen I wanted to share, but let me see. Alright, so this is just a breakdown of the Constitution. You first have the preamble, and this is the three-part. It's basically your introduction and your purpose to the whole Constitution. Then you have your 7 articles, and you see what they're on. Then you have your amendments. Everybody see that? Now, the first 10 amendments, what is it called, y'all? Somebody say it out. Bill of Rights. Thank you. All right. So look, what you will do is I'm gonna give you this. Preamble is already on there. You're gonna get the Constitution words, and you're gonna explain what it is, or you're gonna make it easy for you to understand what it is by what you put. So, for instance, on the Google Doc, and everybody pay attention to this especially, it's the freedom of religion, assembly, press, petition, speech. We remember this from 10th grade. And I said, remember the word RAPS. R stands for what? A. P. Petition. And then speech. So I will remember that from RAPS. Now, as we look over here, the Second Amendment is basically people have a right to have a weapon to protect themselves. And the third one, soldiers cannot take or live in a person's home. Fourth, the government cannot arrest a person or search their property unless there is probable cause. They have to have a search warrant. Fifth, due process before punishing. 6, fair and speedy trial. 7, even in a trial for civil cases, you have to have that. 8, no cruel and unusual punishment is the one that I would put there. 9, right to the people. 10, right to the state. Now, the reason why I did that is because I want you to do a cheat sheet. And the cheat sheet for the amendment, 1, rap. 2, I can have a gun. 3, you can't come in my house. 4, everybody see where I'm going with that? So you just going to write something that's easy for you to remember. 4, unless you have a search warrant. 5, if accused, I still have rights. 6, 1 is a fair and speedy trial by a jury. 7, even in civil cases. 8, you can't treat me wrong. 9, power to the people. 10, power to the state. That's my cheat sheet. All right, and I'm going to give you that. And that will help you get that current event done because you will have at least 10 amendments that you can work with. So that's it for the screen share. Just remember what you're doing in Acellus, and that's pretty much it that I'm going to do today. So if you have not reached step 33, and I already told you what that is, go ahead and do it. Get to 56. Once you reach lesson 56, make sure that you go ahead and let me know that you are there so that I can move you forward. And lesson 56 is defend your analysis of the U.S. Constitution. And if you don't see that in there on the lessons, it's in the briefcase. If you get to major principles of the Constitution, I can go ahead and get you all the way up to lesson 102. And that lesson is going to be on the Bill of Rights. So that's it for today. Everybody understand? Everybody good? Everybody clear?
Mr. Bell, when that current event,
it's going to be due Friday. So I'm going to talk about it a little bit more tomorrow. All right? Okay.